Namaste all of you. Today I am making mutton curry recipe. For that I am using one big size tomato, 20 garlic cloves, little ginger, 2 onions, 3 bay leaves, cloves, then big size cardamom, 3 green chilies. Then here I am using red chili powder, coriander powder, then turmeric powder, salt. Then here I am using soaked jeera and dry red chili. I am going to make paste of them. Then for garnish, coriander leaves and little garam masala I am going to use. And here is the mutton. So the next step is I am going to make a paste of this cumin, raw cumin, dry chili, tomato, garlic and ginger. So let's start. Now I am going to grind them. So friends, first I heat the pressure cooker. I'm making this recipe in pressure cooker. Because in kadhai it takes a little more time, so I'm doing in pressure cooker. So I heat the pressure cooker. Now I'm adding oil. I'm using mustard oil. You can use other oil also, or you can do with ghee also. So now I'm adding khada masala, that is cardamom, cloves and bay leaf. So now I am going to fry the mutton first. After that only I am going to put the onions and other things. Mostly I used to fry the mutton or chicken. If I am cooking, I used to fry. If I am not marinating them, then suppose I am not marinating, that time I used to fry them little. Just for 3-4 minutes we have to fry this. In high flame we have to fry the mutton for 3-4 minutes. So after 3-4 minutes I am going to add the onions. You can even fry the onions in the beginning, like when you are frying the mutton. Before that also you can add the onion. Mostly we used to cook like that only. But believe me, this way also it will taste very yummy, nice. So after putting the onions, we have to cook it again, fry it again for 3-4 minutes more. While cooking you can see this mutton and onion will start leaving water. So let it evaporate, let it dry. Then after that I am going to add the spices, masalas, everything. Now you can see water is not there. You can see the oil. Only the oil you can see now. So now I am adding all the masala. Coriander powder I am using 2.5 spoon, medium size spoon. Then chili powder you can use. It gives a nice reddish color, so for that I am using. You can even use Kashmiri lal mirch powder. I am frying the mutton on medium to high flame. So now I am going to add the paste of tomato, dry chili, cumin, ginger and garlic. Mix them nicely. If you feel down, if it is sticking, you can add little water. Just little water we have to add. So I think we have to add little more water, little more. So now I am going to cook this masala nicely. Once the masala will start leaving the oil, that time only we have to add water for gravy. Means how much gravy you want, you can add, you can pour that much water. So now I am going to put the green chili also. Just keep on stirring occasionally so that it should not burn at the bottom. So we have to just keep on checking. So friends, you can see after 5 minutes this masala is nicely cooked. Water is not there. Now at this time we can add water for gravy. Now I am going to cover it, but before covering, let it boil for 2 minutes more. As you can see, it started boiling. Now I am going to put the lid. So now friends, you can see mutton is cooked. Now I am going to add little ghee and garam masala in this mutton curry. So gravy you can put little more if you want. Now I am adding 1 spoon ghee. And garam masala powder. Nicely mix them. So it is a thick gravy. If you want gravy more, then you can add little more water. So you will get nice gravy also. So now I am going to cook it for another 2 minutes in low flame. So friends, my mutton gravy is ready. You can serve this mutton gravy with plain rice, jeera rice, or you can serve it with roti. So I hope you will like this video also. Please keep on watching my videos. Thank you for watching.